Children, do you want to go in the zoo?
Yeah!
Let's go and count with me all the things. Counting is so much fun. 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 1,
Heavy elephant,
2,
turning foxes,
3,
cloudy peacock,
4,
creepy lion,
1, 2, 3 and 4.
1, 2, 3 and 4. La 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 la.
5,
Agile monkeys,
6,
active frogs,
7,
lovely crabs,
8,
big ducks,
5, 6, 7 and 8.
5, 6, 7 and 8. La 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 la.
9,
Lazy snails,
10,
cute fishes,
11,
busy bees,
12,
talkative parrots,
9, 10, 11 and 12.
9, 10, 11 and 12. La 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 la.
13,
Pretty sparrows,
14,
colorful balloons,
15,
beautiful flowers,
16,
sharp butterflies,
13, 14, 15 and 16.
13, 14, 15 and 16. La 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 la.
17,
Innocent caterpillars,
18,
glorious kites,
19,
expensive rattles,
20,
rupees charges of each one.
17, 18, 19 and 20.
17, 18, 19 and 20. La 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 la. Papa, please give us some money
For what?
for riding.
No way.
Mama is very pretty. Papa is so lavish. Mama is very pretty. Papa is so lavish. Please, Papa, please give us some money.
Okay, I will give you. Take it and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. counting in